Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring Photos has the right account and permission to access storage and network. Open Google Photos, tap your profile, and verify the backup account. This tells Photos which library to show. Once done, grant storage and Photos permissions so the app can read device folders. If your device is low on space, free a few hundred megabytes to let thumbnails and index files download. This prevents incomplete gallery listings and makes sync reliable. Now you'll force the app to refresh and bring missing items into view. In Settings, toggle Backup and Sync off and on, then observe the status line for active uploads or download progress. That confirms connection. Make sure each device folder you expect is toggled on under device folders so those images are included. If the progress stalls, clear the app cache or force stop then reopen. This rebuilds the local index and often restores photos that were invisible. Finish by ensuring a stable network and clean app state. Reboot your phone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or switch networks to rule out connectivity faults. Make sure both Google Photos and Android are updated so you're not blocked by a bug. If selected photos remain absent, export them from their original folder and reupload to Photos. This forces inclusion and rebuilds their cloud metadata. If nothing works, one key tip: sign out and back into your Google account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.